Do you know you can use different kind of extension to achieve butterfly locks? Yeah, you heard me right. You can either use passion twist extension or you use kinky extension to achieve this very beautiful hairstyle, and they are going to have different results but beautiful outcome. The advantage of using this passion twist extension for butterfly braid, as you can see in this video, is that it's going to give you that bouncy effect. It's not just going to be a normal butterfly locks. No, it's going to have that bouncy effect because of the kind of extension you use. First of all, you have to section out your hair and braid that your natural hair, after which you get your crochet pin and use your crochet pin to attach the extension from the root. Then you start threading. So you can decide to attach a longer extension first of all before you attach another one to use to start braiding, or you attach one at the root, then you start braiding just like you're threading the hair. So when you're braiding, you put your thumb there, so your thumb is going to be getting at some of the hair for you to continue braiding with. This is butterfly locks done with kinky extension. Yeah, you can see the smoothness of this. So even when you're braiding this, you're going to put your thumb there as well, but this one is not going to have that bouncy effect. It's going to have a more fine effect, like a more refined effect. This is a good long-lasting hairstyle if you love colors as well. Yeah, if you can't see the colors that you want in passion twist, because that color can sometimes limit people, you can go for something like this. Yeah, kinky extension tend to have more color options for you out there. So guys, let me hear your thoughts. Which of those hairstyles will you be going for? The sectioning and the kind of extension used. Which is your favorite among all of these? Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.